Did I fuck up? Well, I fucked it up, sorry. But that's a nice ass freight elevator.
Yeah, so it was floated by glacial ice. Picked it up and moved it.
Oh, that's how they find them on the surface?
Yeah.
Because it's the glacier that moved them?
This thing weighs more than my car.
Oh, I believe it. I believe it. All right. This is the smallpox exhibit. They literally pulled this out of the Detroit River? Really? I didn't know they had cool stuff like this floating in the Detroit River. Oh, I like this. How fun.
Yeah, this was like, I guess this was very much like a tape. This is like a kids' field trip kind of museum to learn about Michigan history in like the 5th grade.
Right.
That's when I was here last. It's 2004, probably. It does seem just like almost mode. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it's a little low ceiling.
It's the Rockland line. So that's the big line.
All right, we're at the Michigan, State of Michigan History Museum at the state capitol, where all the government workers are here doing government work, important government things, with their government attitudes and their government faces. Look at these boots. It's pretty sweet. Yeah. Why is this museum like completely empty? Go ahead. Yeah, push it. That's fucking lame. Okay. So none of this moves. Okay. Got it. That's a bummer. This is pretty massive though. Like, it takes some power just to move this rig.
You see the picture of it over there? With the horses?
You mean the little one? Well, yeah, it's for skidding logs, right? I mean, yeah, this is how they dragged them out of the woods, right?
Yeah.
How are we like the only ones here?
Everybody else has seen it.
I guess.
They didn't drag
I never saw it. No, I don't think I've ever been here as a kid. I don't recall. I must have been very young because I don't recall any
There's
of this.
some cool stuff here.
Oh, these are nice. Dang, that's a nice one. Make me a potbelly sandwich on that, right?
Oh, they got some good Strohs on here.
That's pretty cool. Use Lyman's Imperial Corn Remedy. Okay. What did they use pure sulfur for back then? I never could figure out what was sulfur used for as a remedy back in the day.
I don't remember.
Because, like, I don't think it's good for you. Like, at all. Okay, we're back at the entrance. Was that it?
You missed, there's an upstairs exhibit in here.
Oh, okay.
And I think there was one little thing you didn't walk through.
All right, we go upstairs. Okay.
I don't know if this actually takes us to the upstairs of the other exhibits too, or if this is just part of this one.
No, there's upstairs exhibits.
Well, I know there are upstairs exhibits. I just don't know if this connects to the other upstairs stuff, or if this is just part of this exhibit, but isn't upstairs within.
Or is this like when Exhibit goes to Russia and they pretend to be happy to see him? Okay. Huh. Alright, we get it. Old ass schoolhouse, whatever.